Hi, it's Denise Mai, and today I have a rarely available 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms with unobstructed water views from all rooms in the unit. You've got almost 1,225 square feet of living space in the heart of Yaletown, and I can't wait to give you a tour. This unit is located right across from David Lam Park. Everything you need is all around you. Groceries, a Skytrain line, and also an elementary school and secondary school. If you want to take a look at this amazing home that's renovated, feel free to contact me. My name's Denise Mai, and I'm more than happy to set up a private viewing with you.